So today we're gonna be showing you just this book. It has different kind of things you can draw, like unicorns, kangaroos, foxes, and all kind of animals like that. So we're just gonna show you like what kind of things you can draw. So first I'm just gonna choose one to do. I think I'm gonna do this bird. So first it tells you to draw a circle with a dip at the top for the body. Okay. The next one is eye, beak, bow tie, and line for the tummy. Now I'm gonna add 2 stick feet. And 4 is triangular wings with hearts and 2 long tail feathers. Okay. I'm just going to do the hearts on the wing. Now 5 is pick a bold color. So I'm just going to go and choose some colors. Okay, so now I'm back with 3 different colors. I've got this light pink, a darker pink, and I've got sky blue. So first I'm going to start with the belly, and I'm just going to do this blue. So now I'm going to do this sky blue again for the little beak. Now I'm going to do the little tail, this dark pink. So now I'm gonna just do the body, and I'm gonna do this with this purple pen I used to draw the outline, but I'm just gonna do a pattern with it. So I finished this bird I did from this book called How to Draw a Unicorn and Other Cute Animals with simple steps, shapes, and 5 steps. I hope you like this bird. I did try my best, but I did kind of get out of the lines and stuff, but I think I did well. I think I did pretty well. So, bye!